Hey guys, this is Sonoka. Today I'm gonna show you how to make karaage. Karaage is really popular izakaya menu. Izakaya is kind of Japanese pub. It's like between restaurant and bar, and we usually eat karaage so much. I love it. It's so easy, so you should try. So let's get started. This is the ingredients: chicken and oil to fry, ginger, garlic, pepper, salt, sake, shoyu, Chinese soup stock, and katakuriko, potato starch, and if you have lemon juice. So cut into big bite pieces like this. Let's make sauce for marinating chicken. So add soy sauce, add sake, add some pepper, add some Chinese soup, mix it. So let's grain garlic and grate ginger. And mix it. And put some chicken. And marinate for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, let's fry them. Prepare some potato starch here. Add some oil and heat it up. Make sure if it's warm enough or not. Put chopstick, and then if you can see the bubbles, it means done. So let's fry it. So take one chicken, dip it into the potato starch, and then fry it like this. So flip it sometimes like this. Fry it until they get golden. So this one is not yet. So when it gets golden like this, you can take it out. It's done. Thank you for watching. If you like this, please give it a try. And give me a comment how you think of it. And please subscribe me.